Hi, I'm Danny from nightlifebartenders.com, and welcome to my bartending school series where I will teach you everything you need to know to get your first bartending job. In this video, I'll be showing you how to pour multiple shots. I'll be going over how to pour multiple liquor shots and how to pour multiple mix shots. Let's begin. First, I'll be going over how to pour multiple liquor shots. The first thing you want to do is set your shot glasses on your bar top in front of your guest, rim to rim. And when you begin pouring, don't pour at eye level like this. This just looks unprofessional. Instead, stand up straight with confidence, begin pouring, and as the glasses fill up, move the stream of your pour from one glass to the next in a smooth-like motion, like so. And that's how you pour multiple liquor shots. Next, I'm going to be going over how to pour multiple mix shots. And I'm going to do it without using a jigger. So since we're not going to be using a jigger, you're going to need to know how to measure your pours by counting, which is a free pouring technique that involves pouring alcohol and counting the amount of time that goes by, which tells you precisely how much alcohol you have poured. It's a skill that every bartender must know how to do. But if you don't know how to, that's okay. Just follow along. I'm sure you'll catch on to what I'm saying as I go along, but later watch my video on free pouring, where I explain how to measure your pours by counting in the final segment of that video. So, when pouring multiple mix shots, the first thing you want to do is lay out your glassware. You don't necessarily have to do this step first. If you prefer to mix your ingredients and then lay out your glassware last, that's okay. But I'm doing it in this order for a specific reason, which I'll explain later. So, say a customer asks for 6 kamikaze shots. In that case, you would lay out 6 shot glasses. Again, you can save this step for later if you want. Next, take your mixing glass and add your ingredients. Since we're making 6 kamikaze shots, we're going to have to multiply the recipe of a single kamikaze shot by 6. And in order to do that, we're going to have to convert the measurements of the recipe into counts so that we can free pour our ingredients inside of our mixing glass. I'll show you what I mean. Say the recipe for a single kamikaze shot is 3/4 ounce vodka, 1/4 ounce triple sec, and a splash of sweet and sour mix. Converting that into counts, you have a 3-count pour of vodka, a 1-count pour of triple sec, and 1 splash of sweet and sour mix. You'll see what those counts mean here in a second. Now that we've converted our recipe into counts, we can easily multiply it by 6, giving us our final recipe for this drink order, which is an 18-count pour of vodka, a 6-count pour of triple sec, and 6 splashes of sweet and sour mix. Now we simply add our ingredients inside of our mixing glass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to add our 6 splashes of sweet and sour mix. But when adding multiple splashes in a row, as you count, you want to slightly prolong each count to get the desired splash amount per count. What I do is I say the word 4 before each count, like so. For 1, for 2, for 3, for 4, for 5, for 6. And then add some ice. Now we have all our ingredients inside of our mixing glass. But before I move on, I just want to mention that an alternative method to multiplying your counts is to count out your recipe individually while looking at each cup. For example, instead of counting an 18-count pour of vodka, you would count up to 3 while looking at each cup, like so. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You may find that this way of doing things is a lot easier than calculating the recipe of a large drink order in your head, especially when you're already trying not to forget other drink orders that other customers have already asked you. Now you can see why I laid out the glassware first, and why you might decide to as well. Alright, moving on. Now that we have all our ingredients inside of our mixing glass, we have to connect our shaker tin and shake. Place your Hawthorne strainer on top of your shaker tin to strain. Now pay attention because this is important. When straining, you want to get a little bit of alcohol into each glass, like so. Then go back with the rest of your alcohol and build your glasses, making sure that every glass is as level as possible. If you do, however, leave a glass or two clearly unlevel, don't freak out. Simply take your alcohol bottle, pour a little more inside to level it out. Now I'm going to demonstrate what this looks like in real time. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to pour multiple shots. Again, I'm Danny from nightlifebartenders.com, and I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to get your first bartending job. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care.